Hello and a very good day everyone. So today I'll show you on a dashboard preparation using VBA code. If you look over here, we do have a data. A reporting shows claims report as of January 2023. So we have the monthly data, we have the quarterly data, we do have the allocation like travel, mileage, and we will also notice that we have 𝗔𝗂𝘁𝗺. Like for example, 𝗔𝗂𝘁𝗺 leads the claims expenses. So when I just click AutoFit over here, you will notice now it is properly auto-fitted. That means the column has expanded accordingly. But what is interesting is, if just say I were to go to my folder, okay, so if this folder over here, we have February, March, April. So just say I select February, March, April, and I put inside in this folder. And then when I go to my Excel file, I just click update. When I press update, you will notice just now from January it becomes April 2023, as of April, and now we have a different name which is 𝗂𝗧𝗏. So if just say I click AutoFit, so now it looks better. And the interesting part is, if just say I were to go to my folder again, alright, and we do have May, June, so just say I select the May and June and I put into my test folder, and then when I go to my Excel file, I just click over here and I click update. You will notice the April becomes June, and when I press AutoFit, it has changed accordingly. And you know what's interesting? Interesting part is, when I put here PDF, you will notice that automatically a box will appear showing that now if you see here, we do have June 2023, 𝗔𝗂𝘁𝗺 claims report June. So basically it creates an email to this particular sender with a particular subject, and it will display the email. So if just say I don't want to send this email, okay, so I can just discard this and then I press no. So what's interesting is, not only it can display email, it can actually show me it can also send an email. So that means instead of me displaying the email, it can also send the email automatically. So how I can do is, for example over here, just say I go to my Excel file, I'll just press right click over here, and then I go to assign macro. So we have all the macros over here. So this is a send PDF, and I click edit. So click edit means, so this is the VBA code. We do have the dimension where we declare ABC as string. We have the file part, we have the PDF part. So interestingly, what happened is, when we just create a PDF, so a PDF report will appear, claim report as of June 2023. So this is the report. But what's interesting is, we can actually send an email as well. So for example, I just go to my file again. Okay, so now we have July and August. Let me just drag and put it inside over here, and then I go to my Excel file, and then what I'll do is I'll just press update. So pressing update, automatically it will update the report, and then when I press AutoFit, it becomes better. But now what I want to do is, instead of displaying my email, I want to send an email. So what I'll do is I'll just make small changes. Here over here is displayed, so I put here send, SEND. I want to send to this email. The subject is claims report, hello and a very good day, and so on. So now when I go to my Excel file over here and I click on PDF, what happened is, it will create as a PDF, and that PDF will be sent to the particular sender. So the interesting part is, it will create as a PDF in this particular folder, and in this folder the August 5. So now let me just go to my email. So when I go to my email, now it's 9:52. So at 9:53, an email has been sent. So that's the exciting part. You can actually use a VBA code not only to update your dashboard, but also to send to the particular sender.